Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I made a makeup video, so I'm excited to get back into it for the Halloween season. So today I'm going to be doing a candy corn clown type makeup look. So let's get started. I'm starting with the Sephora white liquid liner and I'm sketching out the placement of my candy corn teeth. Don't worry if it looks messy, this is just the map for the madness. Now I'm going in with my Mehron Clown White Light Cream, and I'm just going to use that to cover my face. Then I set it in with Mehron's translucent powder so everything stays put. Back with the white cream, I am filling in the tops of the teeth. These will be the white tips of the candy corn. Using my Mehron palette, I'm going to start building the color with yellow and orange. To make it even louder, I am layering yellow, orange, and white shadows from my Morphe palette right on top of that. This step just makes the colors extra vibrant and gives them a bit more of a pop. Now I grab my black Sephora liner and outline each tooth. Using this Superstar black paint, I fill in the rest of the mouth. Classic clown time, sketching some triangles above my eyes with the same black liner. For the lids, I'm starting with the yellow from Mehron palette and then blending in orange. Then just brightening up the white part with my white liner. Back to the Morphe palette, I go over the yellows and oranges on my lids to really push those colors. Then I grab matte black eyeshadow and shade around the mouth and eyes, just making it extra creepy looking. Now for the nose, I'm using the orange again from my Mehron palette and just doing a classic clown circle. And then with black liner, just drawing a little spiral right in the middle. I wanted to crank up the eyes a bit, so I drew some jagged lines under the eyes with black liner. Just kind of wanted some crazy, freaky eyes. And then filling that in with the black Superstar. I add black shadow around those lines and around the clown nose too. I just want to smudge everything and make it look really dark and grimy looking. I don't want to stop at the face, so I sketched crazy jagged lines down the neck too. I draw some stitches across the neck and face. And then shade around them with black shadow. Some of the black lines get softer under all the blending, so I go back and just sharpen them up again. Now I'm going to pop in some crazy contacts and see what looks best with this look. And here it is. I threw on this candy corn themed outfit and hat to match the makeup. I think the costume pulls everything together. Sweet and spooky. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.